Following the conclusion of the October 28th parade, an impressive air demonstration unfolded once more this year. The demonstration was again orchestrated by a renowned team that goes by the call sign Zeus, and their awe-inspiring performance featured an F-16C Block 52+. As the engines roared to life, thousands of spectators gathered along the city's waterfront, eager to witness the aerial spectacle. This remarkable demonstration team made its inaugural appearance in the world of airshows back in 2010, marking a significant milestone in Greece's aviation history. Since then, they have continued to captivate audiences with their breathtaking displays. The airshow itself is thoughtfully divided into two distinct segments: a high-flying extravaganza and a heart-pounding low-level showcase. Under favorable weather conditions, this thrilling exhibition typically extends for approximately 12 minutes, leaving the audience in sheer amazement. During the heart-stopping performance, the pilot of the F-16C Block 52+ pushes the boundaries, reaching speeds of up to 0.94 Mach and enduring acceleration forces of up to a jaw-dropping 9.5 G, showcasing the incredible skill and determination required for this extraordinary demonstration. This year's chosen pilot boasts an impressive flight record, with more than 1,600 hours of flight time, out of which 1,200 hours have been spent in the cockpit of an F-16. But the excitement doesn't end there. As the airshow continues, attendees can look forward to a dazzling display by the Hellenic Air Force fighter jet and helicopters, promising even more airborne marvels. It takes detailed planning and a long time to shoot, edit, and create this content. If our videos help you in your travels, please remember to like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and keep watching them. It will help us grow Bestravelvideo and constantly evolve, providing you with even better content.